Welcome to Grand Emir Hotel and Spa, your perfect escape in the heart of Dalyan, where nature, comfort, and elegance meet to create unforgettable memories. Each space combines modern luxury with local charm. Our stylish rooms and suites are designed for your ultimate relaxation, offering beautiful views of Dalyan's breathtaking nature. Dive into our refreshing pools. Grand Emir is where families come together to create lifelong memories. Take a deep breath and let our spa awaken your senses. From traditional Turkish hammam rituals to soothing massages, our professional therapists are here to help you find true balance and harmony. Step outside and explore Dalyan's wonders. Sail down the magical river canals, admire the ancient rock tombs, and feel the spirit of Iztuzu Beach, home of the famous Caretta Caretta, Turtle's Delight. Laugh with your family on our fun water slides and enjoy sunny days filled with joy. Your taste buds at our restaurant with flavors inspired by local and international cuisine, crafted with love and fresh ingredients. Grand Emir Hotel and Spa offers everything: adventure, relaxation, and unforgettable family fun. Book your stay today and experience where peace meets perfection. Grand Emir Hotel and Spa, Dalyan's finest destination for your dream holiday.